4K on a budget? Forget blurry upscaling. In this video, I'm going to show you stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Join me as we expose the cheapest 4K monitors that'll blow your mind, and your wallet will thank you. Slick gaming, crisp content, zero compromises. Buckle up, budget warriors. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung UR59C. The Samsung UR59C stands out as a compelling budget option for a 4K monitor. Boasting a 32-inch VA panel, it delivers impressive image quality with bold, accurate colors and clear text, particularly after calibration. The pronounced 1500R curve enhances the viewing experience, even with the standard 16:9 aspect ratio. While not tailored for serious gaming due to its 60 Hz refresh rate, 4 ms response time, and the absence of FreeSync or G-Sync support, it remains suitable for casual gaming with less demanding titles. The monitor's high contrast and pixel density contribute to a visually appealing display, making it an attractive choice for users seeking an affordable 4K monitor with a curved design. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q. The Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q emerges as the best budget 4K gaming monitor, offering impressive visuals at a more affordable price point. While its 60 Hz refresh rate is slower than premium options, it compensates with FreeSync support to combat screen tearing. The monitor's slightly higher input lag and response time make it suitable for those on a budget, especially with less demanding graphics cards. SDR games showcase vibrant colors, and the dynamic contrast adds subtle visual enhancements, although other monitors may excel in contrast. Despite not reaching the HDR levels of higher-end models, the VG289Q still delivers distinct shadows, highlights, and improved color reproduction. Number 3. LG 32UN500W. The LG 32UN500W secures its place as a top contender for the best budget 4K monitor, particularly in the 32-inch category. Equipped with a VA panel, its image quality shines with an impressive out-of-the-box contrast ratio of 2353.9, delivering deep blacks and vibrant visuals. The monitor excels in color accuracy, covering the DCI P3 color gamut precisely and minimizing errors. While its HDR performance might not outshine premium counterparts, it still provides satisfactory color depth and contrast. Notably, the 32UN500W goes beyond visuals, incorporating two 5W speakers for an integrated audio experience and AMD FreeSync support to combat screen tearing during casual gaming. Overall, it offers a well-rounded package for various applications, making it a solid choice for users seeking an affordable 4K display with impressive features. Number 4. Dell S2721QS. The Dell S2721QS stands out as the best 27-inch budget 4K monitor, combining a bright screen, reliable image accuracy, and valuable additional features. Its standout capabilities include the ability to connect and view multiple PCs simultaneously through picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture modes. The optional calibration app simplifies screen adjustment and facilitates efficient window organization with preset layouts for up to 6 windows, enhancing productivity. While the S2721QS excels in image quality with its bright screen, reaching 393 nits, and accurate colors with a minimal 2.6 DE error in sRGB color, its HDR performance falls short. The monitor lacks the speed and adaptive sync support for gaming applications. Nevertheless, for users prioritizing image quality, productivity features, and affordability, the Dell S2721QS proves to be an excellent choice among 27-inch 4K monitors. Number 5. HP U28. The HP U28 emerges as the best budget 4K monitor for creatives, offering professional-level color accuracy without the premium price tag. While all monitors on this page excel in color performance, the U28 stands out by accurately covering both the sRGB and P3 color spaces without requiring calibration, simply through an OSD switch. The monitor features an adjustable stand for height, swivel, and portrait mode, providing flexibility for creative work. Despite its slightly higher cost compared to other budget monitors, the HP U28 justifies its premium with a USB-C port for laptop charging, reducing cable clutter. With additional ports and creative-level color accuracy, the U28 proves ideal for hobbyists or professionals seeking an affordable yet high-quality display for creative endeavors. So, which budget king reigns supreme? It's a close call, but for sheer all-around value, the Samsung UR59C steals the crown. But remember, your perfect match depends on your needs. Gamers, the Asus TUF VG289Q is your rapid-fire friend. Creators, the LG 32UN500W delivers color magic. Don't forget the Dell S2721QS for workhorse versatility and the HP U28 for sleek style. Choose wisely, budget heroes, and conquer the pixelated world.